Unleash your inner AI innovator in just minutes with Google AI Studio, even if you're a complete beginner. First, head over to a Google Div in your web browser. This will bring you to the Google AI Studio landing page. Click the Get Started button to dive right in. You might need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, you'll see the option to create a new project. Choose a pre-built template like text prompt to get started quickly, or pick an image generation prompt. In the text prompt interface, you'll find a simple text box. Go ahead and type in your desired prompt, like write a short poem about the ocean. Hit the Run button and watch as Google AI's model generates a response based on your prompt. Explore different models like Palm 2 or Gemini for varied outputs. Experiment to see what suits your project best. You can also test out code generation and customize existing code to modify a feature or create an entirely new one. The image generation prompt allows you to create realistic and abstract images based on the prompt you provide. Tweak parameters like temperature to control the randomness of the AI's responses. Higher values lead to more creative outputs. Experiment, iterate, and most importantly, have fun discovering the power of AI. Google AI Studio makes it easier than ever before.